Hi my friends, I'm sure you saw the ad at the beginning of this video, which means that I have successfully applied for the YouTube Partner Program. So I decided to share with you my experience about channel monetization and answer all your questions about how to monetize your channel and apply for YouTube Partner Program. Before start, if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, please go to subscription button, click on it and like the video. And if you have any questions, you can put it in comments and be sure that I will answer you as soon as possible. So let us start. The first question is what you need to monetize your YouTube channel. As you know my friends, if you want to monetize your YouTube videos, you have to meet some requirements on your YouTube channel before you apply for monetization. The first one is to have more than 1,000 subscribers. The second one is to have more than 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. The third one is to have a linked AdSense account. The fourth one is to live in a country region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. And the last one is to follow all the YouTube monetization policies in order to potentially earn money on YouTube. Something important to mention about 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months is that if you have a YouTube channel for over a year and a half and you just achieved 4,000 watch hours time, that doesn't mean at all that you will get monetized, because the 4,000 watch hours should be at the last 365 days. By the way, when YouTube says in the last 12 months, that doesn't mean a year such as 2019 or 2020 or from January till December. It means last 12 months from where you are today to the same date of the last year. For example, we are on June 19th, 2020, so YouTube will count watch time from this date until June 19th, 2019. I got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time. What is next? After meeting YouTube monetization requirements, which are getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours time, YouTube gives you the ability to apply for monetization. So you click on it and follow the instructions on the next page. The first thing is to review partner program terms and click on accept it. The second step is to sign for Google AdSense and link it to your YouTube channel. For me, I have already a Google AdSense account. I just provided them with my own Google AdSense account email, and after many hours they verify it. The last step, which is the important one by the way, starts automatically after complete the first and the second step. This step is reviewing the channel by YouTube to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. How long it takes before my channel to be accepted or denied by YouTube? Honestly, there is no standard about that. For me, it takes only 2 days before I got a notification from YouTube telling me that my channel was accepted in YouTube Partner Program. But I'm sure there are other YouTubers who waited for more than 1 month to get an answer. How can I know if my channel is accepted or denied? As I said before, after a specific period, you will get a notification on your YouTube channel dashboard telling you that your channel whether accepted in YouTube Partner Program or denied. In case it was denied, you will get in this notification reasons why your channel was refused and what to do for making things right in the next time to apply for monetization. What to do after your channel being accepted for monetization? Simply, when you monetize your channel, you should go to your Creator Studio, choose your channel videos and manually activate monetization on each video. Because YouTube doesn't activate monetization automatically, it is you who should choose each video to be monetized and each one not to be. Can I choose each type of ads to be shown or running on my videos? Yes, again, go to YouTube Creator Studio, then choose channel videos and click on the dollar icon. Then you will get 5 types of ads: overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads. It is better to activate all these types of ads for more revenue for your channel. Can I get paid for views that I have before apply for monetization? Definitely no, because you get paid for ads that are running on your YouTube videos starting from the date you monetize your channel. Logically, there were no ads before monetization, so you will not get paid for those previous views even it is over 200,000 views. How long your video has to be to make money on YouTube? Videos longer than 10 minutes perform better on YouTube, and it makes more money because YouTube show ads at the middle of those videos, unlike less than 10 minutes videos in which there is no ads at the middle of it. Anyway, you can make also money with short videos. When can I see my revenues on my channel dashboard? You cannot see your channel revenues immediately. It is delayed for 48 hours. Simply, you cannot see today's revenue until 2 days later. When can I get paid? Most YouTubers are paid via direct deposit monthly, typically on the 21st of every month. However, be warned that eligibility of your channel to receive payments at all is at the condition of reaching the threshold of payment, which is $100. Also, put in your mind that you cannot request your revenue. It is transferred automatically from Google AdSense to your bank account when you get the necessary threshold. At the end, my friends, I hope this video will be useful for you to start your career in YouTube. Again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell to get our new videos. Thanks for watching.